Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today on the bench is a Hitachi CWP-132 portable television from 1977. I believe it's May 1977, something like that. I bought it from eBay. I picked it up today and it was beer money. Didn't say whether it was working or not. Picked it up at 9 AM today, and then I went 10 o'clock to a local antiques place in near where I live, and I managed to find, and I don't know how, it was a coincidence, a manual, a book called the Radio Television Service 1978-79, and inside here is complete circuit diagrams for this TV, plus all the hints, tricks and tips, and it's a pretty interesting book. If you're into this type of stuff. Again, there's cassette recorders, there's radios, there's television, and pretty much on page 118, yeah, here we are, Hitachi. 116 is the Hitachi CWP-132 servicing guide. Everything, and this has all happened just completely random. This basically, I just saw this in the corner of my eye. I saw that and I thought, oh, let's go and have a look at that. And yeah, it turns out that the TV I bought today and picked up today is in here. So, not tried this, not turned it on. Let's just put that book down there. I've not tried this TV, not turned it on. So we're going to put it on the dim bulb. Let's just make sure that it's not going to blow anything up. I have checked the plug, and everything's all fine. So let's get on with it. Now, the reason I bought this because it's sort of like a computer monitor. We've got the volume here, which is also the on and off. We've got again contrast, brightness, and color, and then on top we actually have the tuning. It's an old-fashioned manual tuning. There's no push buttons. There's no channel selectors where you can tune it in. You have to manually tune it in. It's got a loop area on the back. It looks like it's been stored in a loft. So it's got vertical size, horizontal size, looks like vertical hold, vertical linearity, antenna. Yeah, it's pretty original, pretty dirty. So before I turn it on, I want to open it up and have a look and just see what's in there. Wow. Oh my word. Look at this. Okay. So the tuner's actually okay. Let's just move this out. Wow. It is dusty. Wow. So let's as you can see, it is well used and very dusty. Lots of cobwebs. Shangri likes cobwebs, I've noticed. Yeah, wow. And it's got, if you see down here, little bulbs on the neck board. Wow, okay. This is going to be fun. Okay, and then that's the crap, and all the dirt inside it, and then we've got the tuner board. So the IF comes out here, that's the power. So yes, it's all mounted on that. So there's nothing that looks like it's been disturbed, somebody's buggered around with it. All looks pretty original, dirty. I said it's well over 40 years old, so 40 something years old. There's a couple of capacitors that look a bit ropey to me. This one down here, on top of it, looks bad, but well, I'm gonna put it back together again, and then start it up and see what happens. Right, so let's power this on and see what happens. Interesting. I think it's just drawing more than the bulb can actually. Yeah. Let's just power it on and see what happens. You can only go bang and turn the lights off. You ready? Whee! Whoa! Something went bang. Fantastic. Oh, look, smokage. Wow. Ooh, that sounds like a cap. Smells like a cap. Wow. Bit of excitement. Well, let's see what we have going on here. I had a suspicion it would go pop. Hey, screws out as well. And I think that this might be a hot chassis set. So, I did see something on the screen. So there was a pulsating going on in a light up pulsating. So I think the tube's okay. There is something there. I'm not going to touch this any further. This is just literally a start-up. See what's going on. As I'm unfamiliar with this style of set, I'm also being just a little cautious. These older ones tend to be quite problematic from what I've seen, and people trying to. Sounds like the ice cream man's being a bit ambitious. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if there's anything which looks like it's blown, and I don't think so. Let's get some light. So I'm just looking through. I can't see anything that looks like it's popped. Nothing that really stands out. Nice. It seemed to happen at the front. Oh, there we go. Right. I can see. Now, let's see whether. Can you see? Come on, focus, you fuck. Let's get rid of some of that. There we go. So that cap basically went pop. It was definitely at the front of the TV, not at the back. So yeah, that definitely went pop. In fact, you can see. Come on, focus, you fuck. If I zoom in even further, There we go. Can you see the white stuff at the bottom? So I think this is leaked. And it's probably leaked all over the board. There we go. So it's leaked all over the board, and yeah, it's gone pop. So looks quite a high hour set. It's been used. Baked well and truly. I'm not happy about that orange cap either, that one there. That one looks like it's bad. In fact, can we see on this side? No, we can't see on the other side. Let me turn the TV round. That 2200 microfarad cap looks suspect as well. It really looks crusty. Yeah. I think it did pop a fuse because it did go off. Up here doesn't look too bad. This is sort of mid-70s capacitors. I am just simply not surprised. I've had so many video recorders that have just gone pop as soon as you plug in. So yeah, this is a nice little project. Yeah. Right. Thanks for watching. So this is going to be one of those long-term recap jobs. Go through the whole board, all the boards, check things out, and see what happens. Yeah. I've got all of the circuit diagrams. I've got everything. It's really just going to be any unobtainium parts that will probably stop this TV from working. And I want to get this into use here in the shed. So I've got plenty of other TVs, like 10 TVs, something like that, 8, 10 TVs, whatever it is. But I actually quite like this one because it looks like a monitor. So, right. Thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.